Before you panic sell your Zebec coin, let me show you something on the chart real quick. By the way, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. We're going to be talking about this chart. There's a lot of things a lot of you guys need to pay attention to like reduce your panicking. We're going to be talking about this hidden bullish divergence, which a lot of people are not paying attention to. We are going to be talking about the Zebec price chart on the daily time frame as well. We are going to be looking at the BTC price chart and also the BTC dominance chart, which is also very, very important. If you're here to like this video, please give it a thumbs up, destroy the like button, like this video, share it with your friends and family. Now let's proceed to the Zebec price on CoinMarketCap real quick. Now, if you're paying attention, Zebec is currently seated at 0.004241 and the market cap is currently seated at $335 million. We are still extremely undervalued. The market cap is still extremely undervalued. With a market cap like this project, considering the partnership, the utility, and the daily news coming out from the project can easily go 10x, even 50x before this market cycle comes to an end. Now, if you're paying attention to this monthly chart, you would notice we've been having a healthy run up to the upside. Each time we get a massive pump, it usually followed by a cool off and then another massive pump, cool off, and then another massive pump. Now we are currently having a cool off, which is currently on its way to this previous area we got a cool off to. And if you're heading back to the Zebec chart on the 4-hour time frame, you would notice this is a clear hidden bullish divergence. The only time this bullish divergence can get invalidated is when Zebec close few, at least 3-4 hour candle below this trend line right here. The moment that is happening, then we should begin to start expecting price to drop to around 0.00336. That zone is a very, very important zone for the price of Zebec. Now, if we're heading to the daily time frame, you would notice we are currently distributing after having a massive run up to the upside. Now, if this distribution fails to hold 0.0038, then we should begin to expect the 0.0032 zone. The moment this zone is the moment Zebec is losing this zone, then you guys should enter with everything you've got. Whatever I say is truly my own opinion, by the way. If unfortunately Zebec loses this important zone, which is between the zone of 0.0033 and also 0.0032, then I think you guys should set your entry limit order at around 0.0020, which is technically almost like a 50% drop from here all the way to that zone. It's more like a 50% drop, you see, which is still very healthy considering the massive run up it had. Now, if this 50% drop is to happen, the next leg off is going to take a lot of people by surprise. It's going to be massive, seriously. And if Zebec should drop from the current area it is and maybe find support here, then we should be expecting just a 23% correction, which is still very, very healthy. But by the time we are approaching there, I'm expecting to see a reversal from there, except if the market condition and also market sentiment for the entire cryptocurrency market grows worse. You understand? If it doesn't, then we should expect to see something like this for the price of Zebec Network. One of the reasons for this correction was as a result of the battle and misunderstanding between Mr. Musk and President Trump on Twitter yesterday, which caused a lot of panic selling in the entire cryptocurrency market sector. So a lot of altcoins, including BTC, I think BTC dipped slightly below $1,000 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's that for that. And also Zebec was already overstretched and needed to cool off before a further price move to the upside. So if we are not getting the reversal from this zone to the upside and then getting a correction before a massive leg up to the upside, then we should expect this scenario 2 to happen, which is price dropping to 0.0032 before a further leg up to the upside. So in the long run, Zebec is still sitting solid. There's nothing to worry about. a further drop should be an entry opportunity for whoever has been praying to get the entry. We are still expecting the BTC dominance to correct massively to the downside. I'm still expecting a minus 39% correction. Now, the last time the BTC dominance corrected a little bit, just minus 4%, the entire altcoin market rallied like for a couple of days. Now, imagine if the BTC dominance eventually corrects minus 10%, minus 20, minus 30, minus 39%, then altcoins are going to explode, like seriously. So fingers crossed. Historically, the month of May is usually the month the BTC dominant bottoms, but reverse was the case this time around. But it can only, the period can only be changed, but it is inevitable. The correction for the BTC dominance is inevitable. It's going to happen. Now let's look at BTC real quick. If you're paying attention on BTC price on the daily time frame, the current price of BTC is sitting at $104,000, and we got the bounce we were expecting from that 100k zone. Now, as long as we are still above the 100k zone, then our altcoins are safe. But the moment BTC is losing that 100k zone, dropping to the 98, 97, 96k zone, then altcoins are going to bleed hard, and they are going to even like dump hard if the BTC dominance is pumping. Now we need to see the BTC dominant retrace, dump aggressively, and see BTC price pump to the upside in order to welcome our altcoin back into a massive rally. That is when you can start seeing the likes of Zebec Network rally into $1 billion market cap, $5 billion market cap, $10 billion, $20 billion market cap. The current circulating supply is $79 billion Zbcn token. Considering the utility and everything around this project, I believe no reasonable person, reasonable investor should be doubting this project at all. Some people are still doubting. They are still calling the project scam. But I think time will tell. I believe, if you ask me, I believe these are some of the people who got sidelined. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.